How do parents turn screen time into learning time? Nary honest. How many times today did you think, my child is on a screen again? And then the guilt kicks in. Are screens ruining attention, damaging creativity, wasting childhood? But what if we told you something surprising? Screens are not the enemy. Unintentional screen use is. Today, we explore how parents around the world turn screen time into learning time without yelling, banning, or guilt. Screens are here to stay. Education is digital. Careers are digital. Life is digital. So the real parenting question isn't, how do we eliminate screens? It's, how do we make screens work for our children? The most successful kids of the future won't be those who avoided screens. They'll be the ones who learned to use them wisely. Screens need a purpose. Inspired by Nordic and Finnish households. In many Nordic countries, screen time isn't random. It has a reason. Learning a skill, exploring curiosity, creating something. Habit number 1, no screen without intent. Instead of asking, how long have you been watching? Parents ask, what are you learning or creating? Watching becomes active, not passive. A video turns into a discussion. A game turns into problem solving. A documentary turns into curiosity. A screen without purpose drains energy. A screen with purpose builds it. Co-viewing beats control. Inspired by Japanese and South Korean families. In several Asian cultures, parents don't just allow screen time, they join it. Not hovering, not policing, just present. Habit number 2, watch together sometimes. Ask, what do you think about that? Why do you think that happened? What would you do differently? This transforms entertainment into thinking. Screens stop being isolating. They become shared experiences. The screen isn't powerful. The conversation around it is. Create more than you consume. Inspired by US and European project-based learning. Here's a simple global rule smart parents use. For every hour of consuming, there should be time for creating, drawing, writing, building, recording, explaining. Habit number 3, turn viewers into makers. If your child watches a science video, ask them to explain it back. If they play a game, ask them to design their own level on paper. Creation locks learning into memory. Consumption entertains the brain. Creation trains it. Time limits matter less than timing. Inspired by French and German parenting styles. Many European parents don't obsess over exact minutes. They focus on when screens are used. No screens before school. No screens during meals. No screens right before sleep. Habit number 4, protect mental transitions. Screens stimulate the brain. Young brains need space to slow down. This improves sleep, focus, and mood without constant fights. It's not the screen that disrupts kids, it's the timing. Teach digital self-control, not fear. Inspired by Canadian and Scandinavian approaches. In many high-trust societies, children aren't scared away from screens. They're educated about them. Habit number 5. Talk about how screens work. Explain algorithms. Explain attention traps. Explain why apps want them scrolling. This creates awareness. Children who understand manipulation are less controlled by it. Knowledge creates control. Fear creates rebellion. Parents model the behavior. Children don't follow rules. They follow examples. If screens are always in your hand, they will want them too. Habit number 6. Show balanced screen use. Put the phone away during conversations. Read. Pause. Be present. The strongest digital rule is silent modeling. Your child's screen habits are often reflections, not rebellions. Screens are not stealing childhood, poor habits are. When used with purpose, screens can teach languages, logic, creativity, and confidence. The goal isn't zero screen time, it's smart screen time, and that starts with an online schooling. If you want practical, global parenting strategies that actually work in the modern world, follow us for more insights. Because the future belongs to children who can think, not just scroll.